Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I got a lot of new subscribers in the recent weeks and I figured I never introduced myself or this channel. What is it about? Who am I? Why am I giving tips? What am I working on? Why am I working on it? All these questions, let's answer them right now. So my name is Pascal. I started Orange Pixel back in 2004 as an indie game developer. I started creating games for mobile phones. This was before the iPhone and Android smartphones. This was for the old feature phones, the old Sony and Nokia devices. I created a lot of games in those days, and then when Android and iPhone hit the market, I switched to those devices and I'm still here creating games. These days I also release games on PC, on Steam, itch, and I have a few games on Nintendo consoles and the PS Vita. Right now I'm sitting in what I call the studio. This is where I record the videos. I have a softbox. I can show you all of that if I had my mobile phone with me, which is downstairs, which I should get right now. I'll be right back. This is only for the recording of the videos. I work downstairs at the kitchen table, so let me show you where that is. And so this is where I work, at the kitchen table. Some of the videos are shot here as I create the pixel art. It's usually nice to have a camera watching over my shoulder, and those videos are for me easy to do because they take very little time. I'm working already, so all I do is record what I'm working on. I like the environment here. I have light on all directions of the kitchen. So I like to work with very few things around me. I just have my phone, my laptop, and you might have noticed in some of the videos I have a cord running from my laptop towards up there. It's not a direct connection to the cloud. It's we have a wall socket in the ceiling. I know it's crazy, but it does mean I don't have any cords running from the table to the wall, so I can just run around the table, won't trip over the wires. It's just very convenient. Alright, back at studio. So what is this channel about? Besides me showing trailers of my new games and prototypes of games I'm working on, I also started these weekly videos in January 2018 where I show a little bit of my work, so pixel art, some programming, some game releases. I show some tips and tricks I learned in the recent years since I started this. I take a look back at some of my released games and then I just talk about how did I get to this idea, what went wrong, what went right, the biggest flaw, stuff like that. And finally there will be just fun videos. If I go out on vacations or whatnot, I usually take some camera with me these days and shoot something and we'll see what happens. I really enjoy the process of creating videos, creating little films, little movies and releasing something every week. Since games take a lot longer to create, having this medium, a video every week, it's a task, but it's very fun to do and you get to release something every week, which is really enjoyable. But enough about me, tell me a little bit about you. Drop some comments down below, I like replying to them. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you still haven't. I hope I convinced you with this video and I'll see you next week. Bye!